The Capitol riots will be front and center tomorrow when the second impeachment trial begins for former President Donald Trump. He faces a single charge of incitement of insurrection here. Rules for the hearing have now been set. It begins with 4 hours of arguments on the constitutionality of the trial. Senators who serve as jurors then vote by simple majority whether to proceed. The House impeachment managers and Trump's legal team each get 16 hours to present their cases. The trial will run 6 days a week, Sunday through Friday, until it's over. When former President Trump's impeachment trial convenes tomorrow, he will, in effect, call on the late Atlanta civil rights leader Julian Bond as a defense witness, which Bond's son in Atlanta calls ridiculous. Here's John Sherrick.
The late Atlanta civil rights leader Julian Bond would be, his son says now, amused that former President Trump's attorneys are now arguing that Trump should be acquitted of impeachment in the Senate trial, partly because of an old Supreme Court ruling involving Julian Bond.
What I see them doing is grasping at straws. My father's case is very, very different.
Atlanta City Council member Michael Julian Bond points out that in 1965, his father was denied a seat in the Georgia House of Representatives for telling a reporter that he opposed the Vietnam War, and the House falsely accused Bond of advocating draft dodging. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of Bond, and Bond took his seat. Now attorneys for Trump say that all Trump was doing on January 6th was exercising his First Amendment rights and not inciting anyone to break the law.
I think it's a quite creative citation.
Emory University law professor Fred Smith in Atlanta says he's not sure Bond's case supports Trump's.
The president's lawyers are looking for cases in which public speech by a public official has, in fact, been protected speech.
He would have a wry smile based on them grasping in his direction to try to save the former president.
Once again, Georgia finds itself on the front lines of an important debate.
And helping write history.
Well, as we mentioned, President Trump's second impeachment trial gets underway tomorrow afternoon. You can follow the hearing as it unfolds on our 11 Alive app.